Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody made this and then they're having trouble with the clone tool and all they did was fill it in and nudge it over. So they want to clone this so they can change it. So I'm going to go to edit and clone it. And then what he's doing, he's sticking the rotation. And then he's going to Windows and Dockers and Transform or Transformation and going 36 degrees at 10 or 36 degrees in 10 of them. We already got 9, or we put that on 9 because we only want 10. But what his problem is, he just has a clone curve, clone curve, clone curve. Well, what he did, there is 2 copies here. This is your control curve. The Corel's always going to select the one on top. So now that that's a clone curve or control curve, you can do, look, it's even doing, that's kind of funny, it's even doing the one off the chart because we made a copy and you could go all the way to the center, you could angle it some more. And I mean, this would be a really neat way to make a wagon wheel, in a way, if you split the difference, kind of get in between there and make a wagon wheel like that. Hold down the control button. I wonder if it'll grow. Yeah, hold down the control button and then you can put an outer wheel. So that's what his problem is. When I do this, let me delete this. Well, don't delete that one. Let me delete this. Because it's a clone, I'm deleting it. So let's just start over. We'll just take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. He nudged, and I know he nudged because it's right there where it needs to be. We're going to left click, right click. I'm not going to use the transformation docker. I am going to go to clone and edit and clone, and then actually rotate that 36 degrees. This is our control curve. This is our clone. Control D, rotate it 72 degrees, Control D. And it doesn't take that many more steps. So I love using the transformation docker, but this way you only have one copy, and that's your clone. So, we can do what we did before, take the shape tool and change this quite a bit. You could fill it in with blue. You could go to the interactive fill tool and look at that. This is what I call live view because it's happening right before your eyes, and you can change it up quite a bit and have a lot of different looks. Almost looks like a vortex because we're changing the clone and all of them are going with that. Now I'm going to take away the outline and you have, let's see what that looks like with my new black box trick, object order, back of page. Kind of looks like a vortex in a way, but see, and we could still change it. That's what's so nice about this. We could change this and it's still going to change the interactive fill tool because it's a clone, it's a curve. So right here, control curve. These are clone curves. So no matter what we do, and what's kind of cool about this, we could make a duplicate of this one and put it over here and take our clone curve and get the shape tool and make it shorter, and it made all of them shorter. It's actually doing that one. Then you could get the interactive fill tool and let's put a blue there and it's doing them all. Anyway, a lot of times I'll do this and actually have my control curve off the screen and, well, I should have made a duplicate of it, but because you could change it now and it could be off your model, but it's still going to change the clones. So this is your control curve. Anyway, I hope that helped make him understand a little bit, and thank you for watching.